Hello and welcome to Pliersman. Today I'll be showing you how to crimp connectors without a crimping tool. Unfortunately, this method only applies to non-insulated crimp connectors. To get started, of course, you'll need a crimp connector and wire. You'll also need regular pliers. I prefer needle nose pliers because they have narrow tips. You'll also need a solder wire and soldering gun. It is a pretty effective way to do it when you don't have the right crimping tool on hand. So let's begin. Start by stripping back the wire about half an inch and then attach the crimp connector as you can see. Use the needle nose pliers to squeeze the tabs of the crimp connector to secure it firmly on the wire as you can see. Remember to place the hot tip of the soldering gun at the end of the wire so that you don't burn the insulation. So that's how to crimp non-insulated crimp connectors without a crimping tool. Remember, this is not the best way to crimp connectors. Always use the right tool. Check out my videos and articles for some of the best crimping tools for insulated and non-insulated crimp connectors. Find the links in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something new. See you again in the next video. And wait, have you subscribed? Let me grab my fencing pliers. I'm going to smash someone's finger if they don't smash that subscribe button.